Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Meet Jain, Equity Research Analyst at LKP Security. Today I will discuss with all a company that has grown its business from a regional player to a national player. The company began its journey by manufacturing a single product, which is stabilizers, now owns a bouquet of products which is recognized across India. The company I am discussing today is V-Guard Industries Limited, having a registered office in Kerala. The company, as I mentioned, began its journey from manufacturing voltage stabilizers to now manufacturing products across multiple segments such as electrical, electronics, and consumer durables. The company's products include stabilizers, UPS, solar inverters, wires, pumps, switchgears, modular switches, fans, water heaters, kitchen appliances, and air coolers. V-Guard is a strong brand in voltage stabilizers across India, which helped the company gain brand recognition for other products as well. V-Guard has created a strong presence in the South market with the products such as water heaters, solar water heaters, and housing wire cables. The company has 10 manufacturing facilities across 6 locations in India. The company has adopted a hybrid manufacturing model where in-house manufacturing is around 45%. The company's plants are located at Coimbatore, El Perurandai in Tamil Nadu, Kashipur in Uttarakhand, Kala in Himachal Pradesh, and at Sikkim. On the distribution front, V-Guard has created an extensive distributor network which distributors, direct dealers, retailers, and service centers in its endeavor to reach every nook and corner of the country. The company currently has retail touchpoints at more than 40,000 outlets, of which around 18,000 will be in the south and the balance in the non-south market. After creating a loyal customer base in the south market, the company has now increased its focus on capturing market share and creating a strong brand on the national scale. Over the last few years, V-Guard has added close to 4,000 plus retail touchpoints annually in the non-south market. The expansion of the network has resulted in a significant revenue growth from the non-south region, which grew at a double rate that south region. The management expects this growth momentum to continue in the near term, which will help the company maintain a healthy ROE and ROCE going forward. On the financial fronts, the company has been growing its revenue and margin at a significant CAGR rate of around 18% in the last decade by constant addition of innovative and consumer-centric products along with expansion into new geographies. Similar factors will help the company to grow the same intensity as before on account of huge opportunity size for the company to absorb. We have initiated coverage on V-Guard Industries Limited at 265 levels with a high conviction of growing across regional boundaries and a strong play in the consumer electrical and electronics business. Our research report on V-Guard explains the journey of the company in detail, and I urge you all to read it so as to get a sense of its business model and potential going forward. Thank you everyone.